Training. After 1 hour, more than an hour of jog and walk routine, ito na ang narating namin. From Ayala to Ayala Zone 3 to Zone 1, back to our house, and then we are now here at Zamboanga Eco Zone. Yan. We've been kilometers away from our residence. Yun lang.